Hi everyone, this is Digital Abhi and today I'm going to discuss what is off-page SEO and the factors affecting off-page SEO. I have created a playlist where I'm going to discuss the basics of SEO. I'm putting it in the I button above, so make sure you check it out. Now, bouncing back to the question, what is off-page SEO? It includes the external factors and actions which affect your rankings in the search results. Most of these factors are beyond your control. For example, the backlinks to your website or web page, or the social signals like how many people are sharing your content. As you cannot control if someone wants to link back to your website or not, similarly you cannot control how many people will share your content. And since all this happens outside the website, it is also called off-site SEO. So why is off-page SEO important? We know that search engines are user-centric. They want to provide the best experience to their users, and off-page SEO factors helps them decide which website to show in search results. How? It is all about off-site signals. If a particular website has more authority in a particular niche, or maybe having more social sharing, or maybe having a better links, then that site is going to rank higher than one with the weaker off-site signals. So what are these factors and signals? These are basically three factors that affect off-site SEO. The first and the most important one is links or backlinks. More the number of backlinks, higher will be the ranking. Why? Because when a lot of websites link to a particular website, then it indicates that a particular website is trustworthy. It is like asking for a referral. And not only the number of links, but the quality of links also matters a lot. How? For example, let's say ABC has 10 links from low authority websites and a website XYZ has 10 links from high authority websites. Then XYZ is going to rank higher than ABC. You can understand it like this. On one hand, a small business owner says that Digital Abhi is a great social media marketer. On another hand, the CEO of some multi-billion-dollar company says that Digital Abhi is a great social media marketer. Now tell me, whose statement are you going to give more preference? Obviously the CEO. Similarly, the backlink from a website of 70 plus domain authority is much more than the backlink from a website of a 10 or maybe lower domain authority. The second factor is social signals. Search engines also see what kind of response you are getting on social platforms. An article with more social shares is going to perform better than an article with less number of social shares, given that other factors are same. But why does this happen? Because more social shares indicate that people like that particular article and it has some great information which can help the users. And the third factor is authority or brand. If you establish an authority in your niche, then it is going to be very helpful for you. It is well known that the search engine giant Google rewards brands. People searching for a brand or domain name strongly indicates authority. Other activities like brand mentions and reviews also help a lot. All this gives signals that people trust you and your brand. And if you want to grow your business or brand, then you can check out digitalabhi.com or you can shoot me an email at contact@digitalabhi.com. So that was all about off-page SEO and the three factors affecting it. I hope this episode added some value to your life. If it did, do let me know in the comment section. Or if you have any kind of doubts, comments or queries, you can let me know through the comments. You can also connect with me on social media. All my social media handles are mentioned in the description below. Stay happy, stay blessed.